Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to rotate a picture on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. It doesn't matter if you have the iPhone 14 and the newest one or the iPhone 7 or 8. The process is the same regardless of the iPhone you have. It's also not important if you are on iOS 16 or lower. Let's open the photo gallery on our iPhone and then select the photo which you want to rotate. Now when we want to rotate the photo, we need to click on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Then we will be in the editing mode. After that, you want to click on this little square button with the arrows, which is on the bottom of the screen. Now we are going to be in the cropping mode, and you're going to see two buttons in the top left. If we click on the first button, then that's going to flip our photo or mirror it. This is great if you take pictures with your selfie camera. If you don't like the way your photo looks like, you can click on this button to just flip the photo. Now if we click on this button right here, it will rotate our photo by 90 degrees. You can flip it to any orientation you need. When you finish with rotating your iPhone photo, just click on Done at the bottom right corner. Now your picture is rotated, but if you made a mistake while rotating it and you want to undo that change, then simply click on Edit one more time and click on Revert. Then revert to original, and that will unrotate or unedit your photo. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.